Hello, Class R. I'm going to read you this cool dinosaur story. It's called Dear Dinosaur. Try my best to show you the pictures. Maybe just like milk and snack. Imagine you sat in front of me with a milk and a carrot. And here we go. Max had been looking forward to visiting the museum for ages. They had everything from snails to whales, from moon rocks to mammoths. But best of all, there were dinosaurs, and lots of them. Well, his favourite was the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Look at the size of those teeth, gasped Max. They're whoppers, aren't they? Said the museum curator, popping her head from behind a Triceratops. They call me Dinosaur Dora. We're about to close, but you can come back any time. Oh, we live too far away, sighed Max. And I've got so many questions. Well, why don't you write to our T-Rex? Said Dinosaur Dora. He might even write to you back, she said. When Max got home, that was the first thing he did. Dear Dinosaur, his letter said, I came to see you today. You were my favourite dinosaur. Would you mind if I asked you some questions about being a dinosaur? Bye for now, Max. And he's drawn himself a little picture. And off he scoots. And he puts his letter in the postbox. And then he waited. And waited. And waited. Until there was a reply. Ah, here it is. Dear Max. Roar! Yours sincerely, T-Rex. Ooh. P.S. I am a terrifying, sharp-toothed, super strong king of the dinosaurs. I am longer than a bus and I do not write nice letters to small children. I eat them. Oh, wasn't expecting that. Yikes, said Mum. I'm not scared, said Max. Dear Dinosaur, that was quite rude. There's no need to show off. Here's how loud I can roar. Roar! It's not quite as impressive, but I'm only 6 and I don't have a head the size of a sofa like you do. I was wondering, what do you eat? Have you ever had a sausage? I could send you one if you like. I've got to go for my bath in a minute. What's your favourite bath toy? Bye for now, Max. P.S. Can you write or does somebody have to help you? Really good questions. And it looks like the dinosaur writes back, puts it in the postbox, and gets picked up by the Royal Mail. Dear Max, of course I can write. Why do you think T-Rexes have such small hands? So we can hold pencils. I have never had a sausage. I mainly used to eat other dinosaurs. My favourite was a Triceratops. It's a bit embarrassing, really, as Triceratops is my best friend here at the museum, and we don't talk about food too much. Please do not send me a sausage, unless it's a sausage-asaurus the size of a house. I sometimes have a dip in the fish pond. I don't think the fish are too keen. I don't have a favourite bath toy. If you are 6, that means I'm 65,999,994 years older than you. And actually, it's my birthday next week. Roar! Yours sincerely, T-Rex. There he is in the fish pond. Oh, look at that. There's a birthday card. Dear Dinosaur, happy birthday. On my birthday, I had a cake in the shape of a dinosaur. Then we played football in the garden. Have you ever played football? How fast can you run? I am the third fastest in my class. I've sent you a present. Bye for now, Max. P.S. This is a picture I drew of a sausageosaurus. Dear Max, you don't seem to be nearly as scared as me as you should be. Your legs should have turned to jelly by now. But thank you for my card and my rubber duck. I'm really looking forward to my next dip. We had a birthday party here after everyone went home. Then we played football, just like you. It was fun until the woolly mammoth knocked over a 2,000-year-old vase with his bottom. Roar! Yours sincerely, T-Rex. P.S. I can run really fast. I would probably win all the races in your school sports day. T-Rex. Dear Dinosaur, I've got some really exciting news. Yesterday, my first tooth fell out. Dad said a big one will grow in its place. I have sent you the tooth as I won't be needing it now. Bye for now, Max. P.S. I went to see my sister, Millie, doing ballet yesterday. She had to wear a pink tutu. Imagine if dinosaurs did ballet. Dear Max, thank you for the tooth. It's so tiny. My teeth are much bigger than that. Some are as long as a ruler. And my bite is 3 times stronger than a lion's. I have a pal here called Compognathus, and he's only a little bit bigger than a chicken. One of the smallest dinosaurs ever. He was missing a tooth, so yours does a splendid job in its place. Now you're part of a dinosaur. Perhaps we should call you Maxosaurus. Yours toothily, T-Rex. P.S. I would like to see a dinosaur ballet. I might get Triceratops to dress up in that pink tutu. Hee. Oh, wow. This looks a bit like a postcard. Aha. Dear Dinosaur, I'm on holiday. And I've been digging in the beach looking for fossils, but I've only found 3 lolly sticks and a flip-flop. Do you know where the best place to find dinosaur bones is? Bye for now, Max. P.S. Mum said we can visit the museum on the way back. She and Dad said I have to say thank you to Dinosaur Dora for writing to me, but I know it was you. Ooh, this doesn't look like a letter. This looks like it's on a computer. I think it's an email. Dear Max, I wish I was on a holiday with you. Imagine the sandcastles I could build. Speaking of sand, the desert is the best place to find dinosaur bones. I look forward to seeing you soon, and I promise not to eat your friend. P.S. Of course it's me writing to you, silly grown-ups. Look at that. Back at the museum, Dinosaur Dora was fussing around the Triceratops when Max and his parents arrived. Something really funny has been going on here, she said. The Triceratops is wearing a tutu. And there's definitely something different about this very small dinosaur's smile. And the T-Rex will not let go of that rubber duck. Dear Dinosaur, thank you for writing to me. Dino pals forever. Roar! Maxosaurus Rex. And he's drawn a picture that says friends forever. The end. Hope you liked it.